Hello everyone, so in today's video, just wanted to practice a little bit of shuriken at home using a cheap kunai knife. Of course, my skills aren't that good, and I haven't did this in a while, but let's just see what happens, and it'll be a fun little video. So what I'm gonna use for my training purpose, what I like to use is an old styrofoam surfboard. It's a cheap one, but it does the trick. You can kind of see it's beat up, has no point, no service, except to train, and that's what I use to train at home. And I just use a bucket and stuff to somewhat stabilize. So let's give it a try. So as you see, it doesn't always stick, so I'm a little rusty at it. Let's give it another go. There we go, a little better. Gotta aim with the dragon. Boom. Not too bad. Always work. Well, at least the styrofoam came out. Alright, one more go. There we go. Just getting back into it.